Here we will see progress bar control in Windows application. A progress bar control visually indicates the progress of a lengthy operation in one of three styles. Segmented blocks that increases in steps from left to right, a continuous bar that fills in from left to right, and a block that scrolls across a progress bar. This is the basic layout of a progress bar. Here we will see different properties of a progress bar control. First is a name, which is used to get or sets the name of the control. Dock property is used to get or sets the position of a control. Maximum property sets or gets the maximum value of the range of the control. Minimum property is used to get or sets the minimum value of the range of the control. Value property is used to get or sets the current position of the progress bar. Right to left property is used to get or sets a value indicating whether controls elements are aligned to support locals using right to left fonts. Right to left layout. This property is used to show the progress bar from right to left. Marquee animation speed represents the time period in milliseconds that it takes the progress block to scroll across the progress bar. Step property is used to get or sets the amount by which a call to perform step method increases the current position of the progress bar. Style property is used to get or sets the manner in which the progress should be indicated on the progress bar. Different methods for progress bar controls are increment, which advances the current position of the progress bar by the specified amount. Perform step method advances the current position of the progress bar by the amount of the step property. Focus is used to set the input focus to the control. Hide method is used to hide the control from the user. Refresh method forces the control to invalidate its client area and immediately redraw itself and any child controls. Show method is used to display the control to the user. Different events for progress bar controls are click, which occurs when the control is clicked, and leave event occurs when the input focus leaves the control. Here we will create a program for explaining how progress bar works. For this we will add a new form here. And we will add one button and one progress bar. Here we will set the properties of progress bar. The minimum property will be 1. Maximum property we will set to 10. And we will set the starting value to 1. And on buttons click event we will execute the progress bar. Here we will write a for loop for int I equal to progress bar 1 dot value, that is its initial value, to I less than or equal to progress bar 1 dot maximum value and I plus plus. And in this loop we will execute progress bar 1 dot perform step method. We will set it as a starter form and we will execute it. When we click on buttons event, the progress bar will be executed. Now if we set right to left layout to true and we execute, the progress bar will move from left to right. But if we set right to left property to yes and right to left layout to true, if both properties are true, then our progress bar starts from right to left. Here is a style property. If we set it as a marquee and if we execute, without executing the button, the progress bar continuously moving. And if we set the style property to continuous, when we click on button, the progress bar starts.